Hi, welcome to the third part of our preventative series here at Balanced Physician Care. This series, third part, is meant for patients who are part of our premier program who are interested in holistic and functional medicine. And I want to go over what are the key components for those patients, for you, of your annual wellness visit. So, what I think is important for us to try to discuss um, on a yearly basis to keep your health moving in the right direction is to discuss gut health, go over detox, talk about mind body issues, as well as go over your supplements. Of course, every year people's supplements change on a regular basis. There's certain ones that become available that go away, some that you may feel are not working for you. And I think that it's always an important thing every year to go over what you're taking, what purpose does it serve for you, and whether we want to look at doing something different or new. And I think that that's an important part every year for those of you interested in holistic and functional medicine to have a discussion with me about. The next thing I always think is good to go over is gut and gut health. Maybe you're doing fine, maybe you're on a really good diet program and you feel like your gut health is good, but maybe you've been questioning it and you want to look at some gut health functional medicine testing that we have available so we can discuss the value of doing that or discuss a good GI gut program that we can do from a supplement standpoint to really help tune that area of your body up. The third part is detox. It's something that we often don't think about, but a lot of us are experiencing various types of toxins in our environment on a daily basis. That can be heavy metal toxins, and we certainly have testing that can look at that from a hair and urine analysis. For other people, maybe it's organic acid testing. We have oats testing that can look at different chemicals that might be a part of our world and our environment that are affecting your health. The third component is biotoxins. And for you, maybe that is an issue that may be playing a role. And so I think it's always good to have a discussion once a year about detox. Do we want to do an annual detox program once a year, or do we want to look at doing some testing and focusing on some targeted prevention plans and treatments? And that's going to change for you from year to year based on where you're at in your life and what is going on with your health. The third component that often sometimes gets pushed to the side, but I always like to make sure that we're touching base on it, is mind body. Stress is a part of all of our lives. And for some of us, we thrive on stress. But for some of us, it's so overwhelming that it's impacting our health. And if that's you, maybe we want to discuss what are some practices that you can start that feel right to you for you to do on a regular basis. So I know this seems very overwhelming, but I just wanted to make sure that we're at Balanced Physician Care are able to present to you all the things that you have at your fingertips with this membership to do and to touch base on a regular visit. Remember, a wellness visit, if we don't have enough time in the time that we've allotted, we can always follow up with telehealth visits. That's the beauty of the direct primary care membership, is we can have multiple touch points throughout the year. We can also set up times where we're going to touch base and check in. Are you meeting your goals? Or are there things that we need to look at? And we can certainly set up future visits to assess where you are on that spectrum. So I look forward for you to coming in soon and scheduling your annual wellness visit. If you have any questions, please always feel free to call or email either me or our nurse practitioner, Mary, to discuss things further.